All right, well, in Illinois, can you imagine using your cell phone to record the police? Could send you to prison, that alone. This biker in hot water for posting himself getting pulled over for speeding on YouTube. Now, a state law makes it a felony to record audio of the police. This is just one example from Maryland. Mike Tobin is joining us live in Chicago, but they don't have the law in Maryland. That just was an example. How about in Chicago, Mike?
They do have the law in Chicago, and there are a lot of issues with it. Start with the fact that just about everyone has a smartphone with some kind of recording device in it. Now look forward to May, when Chicago is going to be hosting the NATO summit. That event is expected to bring throngs and throngs of protesters, most of them armed with some kind of recording device that will record both audio and video. And as the arrest starts happening, if police are required to arrest everyone who records them without consent, the whole thing could spin out of control.
So many people have cell phones with cameras, and if they're out in a public place and they're observing a police officer in action and they take out their cell phone and happen to record that officer, that happens to be a Class 1 felony that carries with it a 15-year penalty.
Now, a circuit court judge here in Chicago just shot down the law, saying that it's overbroad. He said that a mother could be recording a soccer game, inadvertently record the police, and be charged with a felony. So still, you have problems with the law because the state's attorney out here in Cook County says she will continue to prosecute the law as long as it's on the books. You have the legislators, Elaine Neckritz, the representative you just heard from, is working fast to repeal this law ahead of the NATO summit, but it's still going to face some challenges in the legislature, James.
You know, I could understand the dilemma of protecting the officers versus your right to record. That mom example is unbelievable. Do you expect more states will either look at it or work to repeal it in the few that they have it now?
Well, it's interesting because the police are still going to support this particular law. We've got a statement from the Fraternal Order of Police saying if this law is repealed, there will be a chilling effect on witnesses coming forward. There will be victims who are re-victimized, meaning recordings of them could be uploaded to the internet. They're also concerned that a cell phone could be mistaken for a gun, Jamie.
Yeah, you know, as an attorney, I'm torn. Thanks, Mike, for bringing it to us.